Hi, my name is Rachel, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Python and Pyscripter for a Windows laptop. Now my laptop is a 64-bit one, but it is just as simple to download the program onto a 32-bit one. You just need to find the right files. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to go to the Python website, which is python.org/downloads. Now when you get here, you need to download the 2.7.141 because the latest version doesn't actually allow us to run Pyscripter on it yet. So we're just going to click on that one there now, and we should see it downloading in a couple of seconds. Yeah, so it's just down there and it's just going to take a few minutes. Okay, so that's done downloading now, so we're just going to click on it to get it up and running. Okay, so once you click on it, this window should appear. So you just want to go through all the steps just to download it correctly. So we're going to go next, 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 and then we're just going to get it to install Python. It might take just a few minutes to do this. Okay, so we can see here now that it's nearly done. And then when it finishes downloading, you just want to click on the finish button there, and it should be all up and running for you perfectly. Okay, so next what we need to do is download the Pyscripter file. So now we just need to go into the sourceforge.net website. I'll leave you the links in the description below so you can enter them in perfectly. Okay, so the file you need to download is the Pyscripter version 3.0.2.setup. It's every so often it updates, so it might be a newer one by the time you're watching this video. Okay, so we can just see there that it's downloading. You know, it's starting to download down the bottom is there as well. It's only going to take a few seconds to finish. Okay, so it's just after finish downloading there, so I'm going to click on it to get it to install the whole thing for me now. Okay, so once you click on it, this window will appear and you just click the next one and then next, just to tell you what folder you want to put it in and if you want to rename it, but we don't need to do that. Now for my sake, I'm just going to create a desktop shortcut so I don't have to do it later. Install. Just going to take a couple of seconds to finish that off. And then we're going to click next and finish. So it's going to launch Pyscripter now for me. Okay, so this is Pyscripter, and to make sure that everything was downloaded perfectly, we're just going to see if we can print something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if we can print, let's say, a hello world. And then we're just going to run it here. Yes, so that worked perfectly there for us. Now, if anybody had any problems with it, you're going to have to uninstall both Pyscripter and Python before you retry it again. Okay, so to make Pygames, you need to download an extra file. So what we need to do is we need to go onto this website called Bitbucket. And it's .org/pygame/pygame/downloads. And the file we need to look for here is a specific one, and it's 1.9.2AO. So let's see if we can find it here now. Yeah, so this is the one here because we downloaded the 2.7.14 Python. This is the one that we need here. So we're just going to click on that and download that. You can see down here that it's only got about 15 seconds left to go. Okay, so that's done download now, so we're just going to click on it to get it running. So install for all users, click next, and then it'll just download for us. Now there's a quick way to figure out if this Pygame file has actually worked fine for us. So we're just going to finish here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open the start menu and you're going to type in the IDLE, and then it's the Python GUI that you're looking for. Okay, so when this opens, you need to type import Pygame, and underneath that pygame.ver and then hit the enter button. Now what you should get back is 1.9.280 and that's when you know that the Pygame has been downloaded correctly. If you get anything else back, it hasn't downloaded right, and what you're going to have to do is uninstall that one and try find one that does work for you. Thank you for watching.